All right, it's here. It's finally here, the brand new MacBook Pro. Now, it's been a few years since I've owned a MacBook Pro. I got back into the Apple ecosystem when I picked up the Mac Mini, the M1 version of it, and it's been here on this desk in the previous studio and now here in this brand new studio space. But when I'm not here, I can't take my Mac Mini with me, so I use a Windows gaming machine for everything not here in the studio. Now, I'm excited to get this MacBook Pro because I'm actually going to replace my Windows computer with the Apple computer to go to a whole ecosystem of Apple, since I already own an iPhone as well, and make that transition. So let's unpack this first because I really want to share with you what that space black looks like, and then we'll get into what you need to make sure that you install on your brand new MacBook Pro. So just like you, I've looked at a lot of YouTube videos from other content creators to get their first impressions on what this space black looks like, and everyone seems to have the same opinion. It's really how it's viewed in the light. And as I'm looking at it here, I really do like the color of this. I'm glad I went with this color. I like darker colors anyway, so I'm excited to really use this in environments outside of just the studio for sure. But I really do like the color. As I push my hands across it and try to smear it up, it's in resistance to fingerprints, so that's a good thing. I'm not seeing any fingerprints on here. Let's get this thing turned on. Now, after you've gone through the initial setup of your MacBook Pro, it's time to get those programs installed on your computer. Now, I'm going to install the #1 software that I'm going to be using for 2024. It is the best live streaming platform that you can use for a Mac-based computer, and that program is called Ecamm. Now, in the first pinned comment of this video, I'm going to link to the Ecamm website where you can get started with this software for free. So I highly recommend that you check it out from there. So I'm going to go to the Ecamm website and download Ecamm right from their website. Now, if you're not familiar with Ecamm, let me tell you about it while it's downloading right now. Back in 2020, I came across this software and it looked amazing, but I was already using another software that I had been using since 2017 and another software since 2016. So at the time, I wasn't really looking to switch softwares. But as I saw more and more people talking about Ecamm, I definitely wanted to know why there was so much buzz around it. I wanted to know why they had this ultra strong community of users that kept praising how powerful this platform was. And so that is one of the reasons that I ended up getting a Mac Mini as well, because I wanted to test out what this Ecamm platform could do. And when my friends showed me how powerful they could create their live stream broadcasts and do other things like podcasts and screen recording, I definitely wanted to become a part of what's called the Ecamm Fam.
All right, how you guys doing?
Wait, how'd you get your video like that? Is that 4K or something?
Right, you got us over here looking like a hot mess.
No, it's actually a powerful live streaming app for Mac called Ecamm Live. You know what? Let me show it to you real quick. So you're able to use your mirrorless camera as a virtual webcam, and you can tweak the colors right in Ecamm Live using their camera effects, and then bring this video right into Zoom, Google Meet, and pretty much any other virtual meeting app. You can even stream directly to Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn and bring in comments right onto the video. And you can customize the look, size, and position of the comments right in the app. Or you can even add your logo to the corner of your video, or yourself, or both. There are plenty of picture-in-picture styles to choose from if you're sharing your screen for a tutorial or doing a presentation. And it doesn't have to be live. You can use it to record a course and eliminate the need to have to edit it later, all in 4K quality. And if you got a green screen, you can set it up right in Ecamm Live, and you can bring that into your different meetings. If you're feeling fancy, you can move yourself into the corner of your frame to do a commentary or a reaction video. You can even add in video clips just by dragging and dropping it in. Pretty much everything's drag and drop. Y'all follow me? Okay, good. So if you want to step it up a notch, you can add some overlays to your video, whether it's a simple graphic or you want to have some titles or other info at the bottom of your screen. You can even add animated overlays like this one or this one. And with Ecamm Live's interview mode, you have full control over the look and feel of your broadcast. And you can add branded overlays to frame you and your guests and look like a real legit broadcast. And you can save each layout as a scene and switch between them with the press of a button. And you know, these days between virtual meetings, school, live streams, we on video all the time. So you just want to show up in a way where you can be confident and proud of. And for me, Ecamm Live is at the center of it all. Did y'all get all that?
You were on mute.
So just a few months ago, Ecamm reached out to me, and I am proud to say that I am officially part of the Ecamm Fam. And so you guys are going to be seeing a lot more videos about live streaming, specifically using this software because it is so powerful. And just like that, Ecamm has been installed on this computer. Now, I'm excited to show you what you can do with this platform, especially if you are live streaming. Use it as a content creator, as a church ministry, to run conferences. I've seen it all, and the Ecamm Fam is always there to support. With them doing not only online YouTube videos live almost every single day, they're now also doing in-person events as well. And so I'm gonna link to their social medias in the description so you can check that out and check out what happened at Creator Camp. And if you guys wanna see more videos about how you can use an Apple computer for your live streaming, this is gonna be the channel that you wanna make sure that you're subscribed to. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Computer that I've been using. Here's the MacBook. So much lighter. Here it is compared to my Remarkable 2. Now this combination is a winning combination. The Remarkable 2 and a MacBook Pro, ooh, M3 chip, ooh. That's a combination. So now this will be my travel on the go combination, and then putting in my bag, the travel bag. Yeah, I can. This is going to be so much of a weight reduction than having that gaming laptop with me.